Hello friends, how are you all? I hope you are doing great and taking care of yourself. Today's video is bit different video where we are going to have a demo or a mini project using the shell scripting. In this mini project, we will be covering if loop, while loop, echo command and lot of other things. So without much further delay, let's get into our mini project. What is this about and how are we going to code using shell scripting? So friends, our project is none other than the cafe project, where the customer who walks into our cafe, we will be displaying the cafe menu to him or her. And we are serving coffee for $3, tea for $2, bottle of water for $2, sandwiches $4, hot chocolate $5. Our script will be taking an order as well as the quantity of each item from the customer. Once we have that, our code or the script will calculate the total cost based on the price of each or item and the quantity ordered by customer. Once that is done, we will be displaying the total cost to the customer for the payment, and all this whole cycle will be written in the shell script. So without much further delay, let's get into action. So friends, let's get into an action of creating the menu script using the shell script. So I'm going to use menu.sh, okay, and I'm going to use vi editor. I'm on the AWS Cloud Shell terminal. As you can see on the screen, I'm using a shenbang user bin bash. If you don't want to use, don't use it, it is an optional thing. So now I'm going to use echo minus e. Basically this is used for the escape special characters and escape characters like slash and slash t, which is tab, backslash also. So I'm going to use this echo minus e. Welcome to our cafe slash n. Use echo minus e. First one, coffee, which is slash $2 slash n. Echo minus e. T, sorry, t slash $3 slash echo minus e. Please sandwich, okay, slash 4 n. Echo minus e. Fourth, hot chocolate slash $5 slash n. Finally I'm using $5 to exit and pay. Okay, and echo minus e. This goes here. Let me write here one more echo statement where it says the menu for today is has. Okay, now I'm going to use something called as a total to store the total amount which we need to basically display at end to the user. In this case, I'm going to initialize that as 0. So while the condition is true, take an input from the user, echo minus e, enter the order number 1 to 4 and type 5 to exit. Okay, and I'm going to read this using a read command, read and the name of the variable, which is order number. If dollar order number is equals to 5, then I'm going to break this. Okay, if the order number is less than 5 and order number is greater or equals to 1, then we are going to ask to enter the quantity of the respective order. Enter the quantity of your order I'm going to basically read that in Qt. Okay, I want to make sure there is nothing less or equal to 0 or minus z dollar quantity. It's not entered as blank, right? So that is something it should be always greater than 0. So then printing echo minus e invalid quantity enter is enter quantity. Okay, continue. Okay, if block close. Now we are calculating the total. Order number is equals to 1, then total equals to dollar double brackets total plus 2 into the quantity. Okay, so that's how I'm storing the total. Okay, else if dollar number equals to 2, then total equals to dollar total plus 3 into the quantity. Else if order number is equal to 3, then total is to total plus 4 into the quantity. Else if order number is equals to 4, then total equals to okay, sorry, fix this. Total plus 5 into quantity. Else invalid order fi and this, and then finally we close this. Okay, now we will be at the end of the loop, we will be calculating the total cost. So total cost your this order is slash dollar. Okay, echo so let's quickly do cat menu. So what we have done until now here is We created a menu, then we declared a variable called as total. We then went into a while loop. In that we have used the if loop. We have also used the read command to read the input from the user, and finally we are displaying the user the total cost of his or her order today. So now let's just give the permission mode 77 menu, and we just exit. So see here, if I enter the order quantity number, if I type 5, it says the total cost of your today's order is 2. Let's again execute with bit more items to be ordered, which is menu order, order number 4, order number 3, quantity 2. What happened? Line number 38. Let me check. Okay, so this is our error. So let's just be here order number. We have fixed this. Clear menu. Enter 1, enter 2, enter 3, enter 3 quantity, and then 5. And now it gives us the total cost of $16. Let's again execute our menu with few more items. Order 2, quantity 10, um, order 4, quantity 10, and then execute 5, and let's see it gives us a total cost of today's order is 80. I hope this video was helpful and it gave you an idea of how can you create a simple mini project using the shell script with if loop, while loop, and read command to get an input from the user. Do share this with your friends and colleagues who are learning the shell scripting or entering into the world of DevOps, cloud engineer, and learning the shell scripting. Until then, take care. Bye bye.